Hello students, today I am going to teach class 1st EVS chapter 2 My Body. What is body parts? Part is of our human body. Children, you go and stand in front of a mirror. What do you see? You see your face and your body parts made up of many parts. Can you say the name these parts? Okay students, don't confuse with the parts of body. Here I have given you picture of parts of body. Our body has different parts. Each part does something special. Students, look at the picture. This is our parts of body. Each part of a body has different name. Each of these parts help us in doing our work. Our human body is similar to a machine. Now I will give you an example. For example, bike. Look at the picture student. In this picture it has all parts. See the next bicycle picture. Here in this picture it has no wheel in the bicycle. If we remove any parts of a machine, will it work properly? No, it will not work properly. Like that our human body also. If we remove any parts of a body, what will happen in our body? We cannot do anything without that part. For example, hands. Look at the picture. In this picture he has hands. Look at the next picture. In this picture he has no hands. If we don't have hands, we cannot eat, write, and we cannot do anything without that parts. All parts of our body support one another and help the body in functioning properly. Let us start second topic. The second topic is how our body parts help us. So students, now we know the name of our body parts. Let us find out how these parts help us. Now we are going to see how our body parts help us. Different parts of the body help us to do different things. Let us see first legs. How many legs do we have? Yes, we have 2 legs. 2 feet. Each foot has 5 little toes. Look at the pictures here. Students, this is our toes. Each foot has 5 toes. Total we have 10 toes. Legs help us to walk, dance and run, etc. The next one is arms. Look at the picture here. This is arms. We have 2 arms. Each arm has hand. See students, we have 2 hands. Each hands we have 5 fingers. Total we have 10 fingers. Hand help us to write, eat and hold the things. There are some things that we do use both our hands and legs. Here I have given you some pictures. Look at the picture. Here the first picture is skipping. In this picture she is skipping with her legs and hands. The second picture is dancing. In this picture she is dancing with her hands and legs. Let us start third topic. The third topic is sense organs. Some parts of our body help us to see, hear, smell, taste, feel and touch. We get to know about the world around us using these body parts. These body parts are called sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue are our sense organs. Look at the picture. These are the sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Students, do we have sense organs? Yes, we all have sense organs. Can we live without sense organs? Yes, we can live without sense organs, but we cannot do anything. What are sense organs? The parts of our body that help us to see, hear, smell, taste, and feel the world around us are called sense organs. I have given you a picture. Look at the picture. We have 5 sense organs. What are the 5 sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Now, students, I have questions for you. The first question is, how can we see? Look at the picture, student. The answer is, we can see with our eyes. For example, watching TV. The second question is, how can we hear? The answer is, we can hear with our ears. Example, listening to music. The third question is, how do we smell? The answer is, we smell with our nose. For example, here, she is smelling with her nose. The fourth question is, how can we taste? We can taste with the help of our tongue. For example, she is tasting ice cream with her tongue. The fifth question is, how do you feel and touch? We feel and touch with our skin. For example, the child is touching with her mother hands. Dear students, here I am giving you some home assignments. You have to do it in your home. Exercise A. Complete the sentences and choosing from the help box. Here I have not given you clues. Here I have written the question answers. The first question is, I smell with my dash. What is the answer? The answer is nose. I smell with my nose. The second question is, I taste with my tongue. What is the answer? The answer is tongue. I taste with my tongue. The third question is, I see with my eyes. The answer is eyes. I see with my eyes. Fourth question is, I hear with my dash. The answer is ears. I hear with my ears. Fifth question is, I touch and feel with my dash. The answer is skin. I touch and feel with my skin. Exercise B. Write yes or no. The first question is, I have one nose. The answer is yes. The second question is, hands and feet help me to swim. The answer is yes. The tongue helps me to hear. The answer is no. I can use my hands to make a card for grandma. Answer is yes. Fifth question is, I can use my nose to watch television. The answer is no. Exercise C. Read the clues and name the body parts. The first question is, these help me to see the world around us. The answer is eyes. The second question is, we need these two body parts to ride a bicycle. The answer is legs and hands. The third question is, the toes are a part of this body part. The answer is legs. The fourth question is, this body part helps us to smell. The answer is nose. This is the topmost part of our body. The answer is head. Exercise D. Dear students, this is homework only for you. This question is like a games. First read the questions carefully, then you have to find out the answers in the box. The first question is, wear a smart gate to cover me. The second question is, I sit pretty at the center of your face. The third question is, use me to wave goodbye. The fourth question is, there are 5 offers in each hand. The fifth question is, say cheese to see a sparkling white. Dear children, you will write your homework in your classwork copy. Thank you.